Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're going to be seeing how to optimize your website and make it a little faster. So to start off, you got to look at your website and see how many images and how many GIFs and animations you have, because the more you have, the slower your website will load on certain platforms. So over here, if we go on preview to see my effects and stuff, I just have a bunch of effects on my images and on my text. This will make your website slower for other people as well. You just gotta watch out for that. And if you're using a video for your background, for example, I don't really have a video, but I have GIFs. And if you're using this for your background, just make sure that you're using a GIF file and not the entire video, because that will slow down your website a lot. So I'm just gonna show you, because right here I have a bunch of extra images like this. If you guys have something like that, you guys can scan your website for this type of stuff. It's just something that will make your website look a little crowded with a bunch of images like this one. I could just come over here and delete. It will make my website look even cleaner and more optimized. If I have, for example, the GIF, I feel like this GIF is overused. Over here with this one, I can scroll it all the way down. I can put it right here and delete this image over here. I feel like that just helps a lot already. You just put it on the corner like this. This image is over here is an extra also. I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to make it kind of the same size of the other one. As you can see, it just makes the website look cleaner. And I already talked about this, but if you guys added any animations, make sure to even take it out or not leave it in everything, like not leave it on text and on big images, just because that will also slow down your website. And I mean the live version. Just because the preview will not show you that it's not really optimized and not running well, the preview will always run perfectly. But you guys see how the bunch of kind of pollution that I have, the visual pollution, I would definitely recommend for you guys to take that out of your website and to leave with basically no effects, or just some couple of entrance effects for a couple of images. So this is mainly how you guys optimize your website. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.